Good afternoon, students. Today I will explain image. Image. Okay. Listen. Image means when the rays of light diverging from a point after reflection or refraction appear to meet at a some other point. Okay, then the point is called image of the object. Listen once again. When the rays of light diverging from the object, so here after reflection, the reflected rays appear to meet at the some other point. That point is called a image. That point is called a image. So here image can be divided into two types. One is real image. Come on. Second one is virtual image. Real image and virtual image. So here a real image means when the rays of diverging rays from a point after reflection actually converge at some other point, then the point is called a real image. Listen. Now real image real image. Okay, it is a mirror or reflecting surface. Okay, the light rays are diverging from the object. It is the diverging ray from the point source. It is strike the surface, means nothing but a mirror. It is the another diverging ray. It strikes the reflecting surface or mirror. After striking the mirror, the light rays reflect. So here it is the reflected ray. It is also reflected ray. So here reflected rays meet at some other point, means converge at a point. That point is called a real image. These are once again diverging rays. For example, A, B. These two are the diverging rays from the source, light source. So here diverging rays after reflection they are converged at a point. That point is called a real image. That is called a real image. Here object is virtual. We don't know where is the object. So object is virtual, image is real. Listen, diverging rays after reflection they are converged at a point. That point is called a real image. That point is called a real image. Okay, ma? Image, our definition, image. Image when the rays of light when the rays of light diverge when the rays of light diverging from a point after reflection, diverging from a point after reflection either meet either actually meet at a point meet some other point that point is called image of the object. Okay, that point is called image of the object. Image of the object. Okay, so here image can be divided into two types. Image can be divided into two types. First one is virtual image or real image. Second one is real image. Virtual image and real image. Now virtual image. Okay, virtual image. Virtual image means when the rays of light diverging from the point source from the object, okay, diverging rays after reflection again diverge. Diverging rays after reflection again diverging. That point is called virtual image. Listen once again. Diverging rays after reflection again diverge. That is called a real image. That is called a virtual image. Here object is real. Object is real. Okay, but here image is virtual image. But object is real. Means here object is in front of the mirror. Okay, but here image is back side of the mirror. Listen once again. Diverging rays after reflection again diverging. That is called a virtual image. Okay, but here object is real, image is virtual. Image is virtual. Okay, the rays of light when they diverging from a point diverging from a point after reflection after reflection after reflection after reflection appear to after reflection appear to diverge appear to diverge from another point diverge from another point diverge from another point, then image is called a virtual image. Then the image is called a virtual image. But here object is real. Here object is real. Object is real. Here image is back side of the screen. It is a mirror. Okay. From the source of the light or from the object, here rays are diverging. Rays are diverging. After reflection, here reflected rays also diverging. After reflection also, these two are present. It is the source of the light, okay, or object. The light rays diverging from the source. After striking the mirror, reflected rays again diverging. Reflected rays again diverging. So it is the object. So here object is real. Over means object is real. Okay. So here image is back side of the screen, means back side of the mirror. So it is the virtual image. Virtual image. Okay, it is the diagram of the virtual image. Virtual image. Okay, now real image. Real image. When the rays of light diverging from a point after reflection actually converge at a point, some other point. The point is called here the real image. When the rays of light when the rays of light diverging from a point diverging from a point diverging from a point after reflection actually converge at some other point. Some other point. Actually converge at some other point. Then the point is called then the point is called a real image. Here object is virtual object. For the real image, object is virtual, image is real. Okay. These are the diverging rays. So it is the real image. Ri means real image. Here object is virtual. For real image, object is virtual. For virtual image, object is real. It is about types of image. It is about types of image. Now, what is the difference between a real image and a virtual image? What is the difference between virtual image and real image? Difference between real image and virtual image. Real image and virtual image. Okay. Virtual image first one. Real image. Okay. The first one, the rays of light after reflection appear to meet at some other point. The rays of light, when the rays of light when the rays of light after reflection appear to meet at a point, meet at some other point, meet at a point. Here, when the rays of light after reflection actually meet at some other point. actually meet at a point. Meet at a point. We can. It cannot be taken on a screen. Virtual image we can't catch on the screen. It cannot be taken cannot be taken on the screen. On the screen, but a real image we can catch on the screen. Real image we can catch on the screen. Catch on the screen means taken on the screen. Virtual image is always erect image. Okay, but here real image it is always inverted. Real image is always inverted. Always inverted. It is the difference between real image and a virtual image. It is the difference between real image and virtual image. Okay. Next one. Number of images. Formula for the to find the number of images. Okay, formula for number of images formed in two plane mirrors. If theta is the angle of inclination, the theta is the angle of inclination between two mirrors. If theta is the angle of inclination between the two plane mirrors, and n is the number of images, and n is the number of images formed, then number of images formed by n equal to 360 by theta minus 1. It is the formula for the to find number of images. So numeral 1 is subtracted because of the loss of one image due to the overlapping of the two images. Overlapping of the two images. Okay. Listen once again. One is subtracting from the equation because of the loss of one image due to the overlapping of two images. That's why I am writing n equal to 360 by theta minus 1. For example, here theta equal to 90 degrees. For example, here theta equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, n equal to 360 by theta minus 1. It is the formula. But theta is given. Here theta equal to how much here? 90 degrees. Therefore, n equal to 360 by 90 minus 1. Here 0 get cancelled. 9 ones here. 9 4. Therefore, number of images equal to 4 minus 1. That equal to 3. So here number of images equal to 3. We have two cases. Here 3 cases now. If n is even, if n is odd, if n is not whole number in this case, then the number of images. We have 3 cases to it. If n is even number, if n is odd number, next one is n is not whole number. Then what is the formula to find the number of images? Number of images. Okay, listen. Listen, number of images. If here n equal to 360 by theta, to find the number of images, n equal to we can write 360 by theta also. So here case 1, if n is an even number, then number of images equal to n minus 1 for the all positions of the object. So if theta equal to 60 degrees, n equal to here 360 by theta, that equal to 360 by 60. Here 0 get cancelled. Remaining 36 by 6. 6 ones here, 6 6. So here number of images means here 6 is a even number. So number of images equal to, if n is even, then number of images equal to how much? N minus 1. That means here 6 minus 1, that equal to 5 images. 5 images. If n is odd number, if n is odd number, it depends on the position of the object. If the position of the object is asymmetrical, then number of images equal to n minus 1. If the position of the object is symmetrical, then number of images equal to n. Next one, example, if theta equal to 40 degrees, if theta equal to 40 degrees, then number of images n equal to 360 by theta. So that equal to 360 by 40. Here 0 get cancelled. 4 ones here, 4 9. So here 9 is a odd number. Okay, if the position of the object is asymmetrically, then number of images equal to n minus 1. That means here 9 minus 1, that equal to 8. The position of the object is kept symmetrically, then number of images equal to 9. So that's why I got here 9 or 8. So here number of images depends on the position of the object. Next one, third one. If the n is not whole number in this case, the number of images equal to the previous nearest value. Previous nearest value. Theta equal to, third one, if theta equal to 50 degrees, if theta equal to 50 degrees, then here from this we can find number of images. N equal to here 360 by 50. So 0 get cancelled. That equal to 36 by 5. 5 ones here, 5 7.2. That equal to 7.2. We are here 7.2. So here we can write number of images means here n is not whole number. So here number of images we can write 7. So here means here number nearest value, we can nearest value. So number of images equal to 7. For example, we got 7.8 or 9. The number of images equal we can write 8. value. It is the formula for the to find number of images. Okay, thank you.